Hey there, hi, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your boy Umar and you're watching my YouTube channel Point of View. So if you don't know, I've been to the Umrah a few months back and this journey was one of the best journey of my life. But it could have been much better if I knew these tips before going to Umrah. So if you're planning or you're looking forward to going to Umrah in future, you must keep this video with you because this is going to help you a lot. This is going to help you a lot because if you follow these tips, then your journey will be very hassle free and you're going to enjoy your journey a lot. Because this was my first trip to Umrah and Saudi Arabia, I didn't know much about the things that are going to be used out there, and after personal experience I'm going to tell these are the things most important if you want your journey to be comfortable and hassle free. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let me tell you those points. Do not bring too much clothes with you because this is going to make your luggage heavier, and you have to move from one hotel to another hotel, from Makkah to Medina to hotel. So try to keep them as minimum as possible, and if you want to buy some abayas, make sure do not bring more than 2 or 3 because there are a lot of good options in Saudi Arabia as well, and you're going to find them in Saudi Arabia. Do bring a petroleum jelly with you because in ihram you're not going to wear any type of shorts or underwear, so in that case you're going to have itchy legs. So make sure you bring a Vaseline jelly with you so that you don't feel chafing of the thighs. And for women, you are advised to wear comfortable leggings underneath your abayas because you're going to walk a lot in your Umrah journey, so make sure you have comfortable clothes. And men should get their ihram in a cotton fabric because in summers the one made of towel type material is going to make you a lot hotter. So make sure you have this cotton type of ihram with you because it's much thinner than the other one, and it will keep you cool. There are a lot of Qurans inside haram in both in Makkah and Medina, so you don't have to bring any pocket Quran, but in some cases you would need a pocket Quran for you, when you're traveling from one place to another place, from Makkah to haram to Makkah, while sitting in the bus you would need a pocket Quran. So there are possibility that you can read on your mobile phone as well, but I would suggest not to bring them with you because you will not be able to take care of them properly. And get yourself an umrah guide so that you can know which step to do at which place, and you know properly how to perform umrah and how to perform different salah and different duas while you're on umrah journey. So make sure you bring an umrah guide with you and use an electronic tasbih for your zikr and your tawaf because it is much easier to note down on the electronic tasbih rather than the other one, because you have so much hassle there in haram in while doing tawaf or doing sahib. So it is very difficult to keep the record of your tawafs. So it is better to bring this electronic tasbih with you. And women should wear grip socks because it is very slippery out there while doing tawaf or sahi. Or you can also wear 2 socks to make it more comfortable because the track which is used for the sahi is very hard, because the tiles on the sahi place are very hard. So make sure you wear enough, make it comfortable. Make sure you bring some dates with you for a quick energy boost. And the best time to do umrah is during tahajjud time and after isha prayers because it is much cooler at that time and it is the least crowded. Always keep a water bottle with you so that you can keep zamzam in it to make yourself hydrated. Carry a small waist bag to keep your belongings in it, like visa and your mobile, because there's so much hassle around there and easily you can lose your things. So make sure you're wearing a waist bag and to keep your luggage and keep your belongings in and keep a separate bag for your shoes as well. If you are with children, so make sure you perform umrah on the higher places like second or third floor of the haram, because on a lower floor it's so much hassle and you can easily lose your children. Or in case you want to do on the down floor, make sure you have this child harness band to keep your children intact with you. You can also leave your children in the haram daycare facility which is located in Makkah clock tower. I would suggest if your child is below the age of understand, you keep him in this daycare center. Complete your umrah with comfort. And if you are with an elderly person, make sure you bring massage guns with you so to relieve pain. Make sure you have enough copies of your visas and your travel documents with you, so that in some cases they might require you to give them in your visa or some travel documents. So make sure you have enough photocopies of them with you while going on umrah. Make sure to bring enough medicines with you like painkillers and throat pain and cough syrups with you, because in Medina you're going to have this some kind of a fever in it. There is a possibility that you might get cold, so make sure you bring your medicines with you. But if you forgot, then there are free medical camps outside the haram places. You can ask anyone and they will tell you. You can go there and ask them to give you some kind of a medicine. So these are the points which I thought I should tell everyone, that before going to umrah you should follow these points. If you want to give more suggestion, comment down below and let me know if they are any other points as well, so that can help people going for the umrah journey. I hope this video have been helpful for you, and if you're new to my channel, do remember to subscribe my channel, comment down below your views, and hope you have a wonderful journey of umrah, and do remember me in your prayer as well. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.